Hi, I'm Jen, and today I'm going to make a flower arrangement for the mantle in my living room. I've slowly been redecorating this room and adding the new colors of navy and pops of yellow. And this is the perfect time to do it with spring coming around to get some yellow flowers. So to get started, we're going to go shopping so you can see the process from start to finish and how to create these beautiful arrangements. At the floral shop, I already found some yellow flowers that I like. Now we're in the blue section looking for fillers. As we were searching, I noticed that there is these bundles hidden in the back that have yellow and blue in them. They were so hard to get out. They were trapped together with others. These are so cute. They have a little bit of yellow and blue. They go perfect with the yellow flowers that I found. Because these blue filler flowers have different colors and flower textures to them, I don't need to get a bunch of other fillers. This one will be perfect. I grabbed all of the yellow flowers that they had of these kinds, and I was debating between getting just 2 or 3, and I decided to get all 3 because they usually won't come back for a while, and I don't want to be wishing I had one more. So I got them anyways. I purchased a bundle of blue and yellow filler flowers. They have lots of texture and lengths to them, which I love. And then my main focus flower that I purchased were these huge flowers. I have no idea what they're called because they're like enormous, like daisy type things. Let's see if that says on here what they are. Of course not. But I got these really pretty yellow flowers. I've got 3 of these because I don't want a lot of flowers. I'm not a huge, like, big bouquet person. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna decide how tall we want for the vase that I have. This is gonna go on the mantle, so I don't want it too crazy. That's why I love this. So instead of having to buy multiple fillers, I can just use this one because I mainly wanted yellow flowers, but I'm changing the colors in this room to be blue with pops of yellow. So this is perfect. It's not too crazy, and they're flowers, so they can always be changed out. So we're just going to bend these guys and start cutting off the ends of them. They have little dent areas, and those are like the perfect spot to cut the wire. Let's see if that's tall enough. Nope, we need to make them taller. Okay, that's better. So we're just gonna put our flowers in there. We're just gonna cut those guys right off. I don't know if you can see the little dent that's right there. They have a few of them periodically on the stem. It makes it so much easier to cut right there. Perfect. All right, so I'll just put the rest inside. Sometimes I like to remove the little guys. It will look strange. First doing it, if you're nervous the same as me, you can always measure how high up you want to where the base of the vase is. I even like to bend them before I start. Since we have 3, we can do different lengths. Let's try right in there. Once you decide the length that you like, that's when you can cut them. I'm gonna make this one a little bit shorter. Just keep wiggling it until it comes free. Rotate
that I still had cushion. That feels good. I like that. Let's cut it there. It looks like fields. You would be walking past wildflowers in the fields. Perfect. So I'm liking the little taller one too. So I think it's time to cut that one. I think I might cut this one the same length or slightly shorter. Slightly shorter. So right where the bend is at is where we're gonna cut. Again, twist it around, smush it, and then we're just gonna hold the flower side. Whoop. There we go. All right, last one. There we go. Okay, put it down lower so you guys can see. And if you're not happy with how they're sitting, just move them around. How cute! We don't care about making it a 360 degree look because it's going on the back of the mantle. No one's going to see that side. Perfect. Let's go hang it up.
Once they're in place, go ahead and bend the flowers to where you like the look. And then maybe so you can see, since this is a mantle, it's up high. So I want to bend the flowers so that when you're sitting, you can see the actual Does this inspire you to make your flower arrangements?